Hi guys, this is Naima and welcome to Foxy. So today I'm going to show you and talk about the winged liner. What about the wing liner? Most people are struggling with getting the perfect wing liner, and believe me, I struggled for the longest time. And more than getting the perfect wing liner, I struggled with getting both my wings looking the same. Whether it was on myself or at work, I had to remove it and do it again and again. Now this is something that I want to tell you comes with practice. The only way you're getting the perfect wing liner is that if you're going to apply wing liner every single day. Believe me, that's the only way to get it. There's no other way to master it. I'm going to definitely show you how to apply wing liner, but before that, there is something that a lot of people don't see, and that is their eye shape. Understanding the kind of eye you have and then modifying the kind of wing liner is very important, because it's like today, if I wear like a cat eye, it's not necessary that the same cat eye is going to look the same or nice on another person. Not for anything else, but if you have like hooded eyes, or if you have eyes that are small and you put eyeshadow and eyeliner, and when you open your eye, none of it is even visible. Like for the ones who have like a lot of lid space are literally the luckiest ones, because you can make some funny kind of artwork also there. So let's start with application, and I'm going to show you an easy way in which you can apply wing liner. And once you figure out the kind of eye you have, so my eyes are, I have a decent amount of lid space, and I don't like to make very thick wing liner or having that really dramatic long wing, but there are people who love it. I'm just going to show you a basic technique in which you can apply the wing liner. And one more thing I want to tell you that is very important is using gel eyeliner is one of the easiest ways to make a wing liner. I know there are people who swear by liquid liner and everything, and it's not like you can't make the wing liner with liquid liner. You can, but sometimes when you're kind of applying it with the brush to kind of get the wing becomes difficult. So if you have gel liner and if you have a brush that is this thin, it's easier to apply. This is what I'm comfortable with, and I have actually seen a lot of people do that, and they also find that it's the easiest way to draw the wing. So I'm going to show you a basic technique in which you can draw the wing liner and kind of perfectly get your wing, which will of course come with practice. So once you see this, you'll understand better once you've identified your eye type and what you need to exactly do. So let's get started. So I'm using the Inglot gel liner. So I'm gonna, and gel dries out really quickly. So remember to take it on your brush and turn it upside down. I'm gonna take some of this on my brush. Don't take too much. Now, I'm going to pull. You always start with the eye that you're most comfortable with first. I'm going to stretch my eye a little bit, because it's very important when you're drawing the wing to pull your eye so that it defines well. There are two ways of doing this. You could start from the outer corner, or you could start from the inner corner. I am very comfortable doing it from the outer corner. Remember that when you start from the inner corner, it has to go from thin to thick. But I'm starting from my outer corner, and you'll know exactly why. But not right at the end. I'm just going to go say a little less than half. I'm going to start with drawing my line very close to my lash line, because if it is thin, you can always make it thicker. But then if you start with a thick line from the beginning, you'll have to clean it up and all that. So I'm applying this very close to my lash line. I'm still not taking it all the way to the end. So it's like, if you look at it this way, it goes all the way from the inner corner to halfway. There's a reason I did this. The reason I did this is because when you start drawing, and if you completely draw till the end and then try and extend the wing, you get a very sharp line that doesn't look like it's evenly flowing. This way, because when I've stopped halfway, I'm going to start drawing my wing and moving in the direction of taking my wing upwards slightly. That's how you get that little elevated eye. And this is a very good eyeliner technique for the ones who have eyes that droop downwards. Now, mostly when you're doing the wing for the first time, or if you feel like you haven't perfected it, you tend to make a mistake. We all make mistakes after so many years of experience, blah, blah, blah. It just happens. So I've just kind of like this little extra like liner that I have put there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of makeup remover on a Q-tip and just kind of clean that area out. You know, you don't have to panic and think that you have to do the entire eyeliner again. The tip can always be cleaned out. I'm going to repeat this on the other eye in the same exact way. Pull my eye. Now how thick and how long, short you want the wing is again, in my opinion, according to the type of eye. But then again, it's also completely depends on the look that you want to go with. You don't have to put all this in, I'm correcting. So guys, this is how I perfect and have been perfecting my wing liner over the years. Trust me, we all make mistakes. I still do sometimes. It's all about how you clean it and how you rectify it, and put wing liner every single day, and that's how you're going to master it. Then of course you add mascara and lashes and everything. Believe me, it looks great. Wing liner can really make or break a look, so you need to be smart in what you're doing and how well you're doing it. I hope this video was helpful and I was able to teach you how not too difficult it is to get wing liner. Just practice and you'll be fine. And trust me, for beginners, just use gel liner. It's way easier than using liquid liner to apply it. Do follow Foxy Makeup Tips on Instagram. You can find me on Instagram as well as Makeup and Hair by Maliha. Thank you for watching. Maliha loves.